Hello YouTube, it's time for another unboxing video. Now, I have to tell you, this shirt is not coincidental. I was actually looking for the other one, couldn't find it, so I did this one instead. But I put this on because I knew what was in this video right here, or in this tube right here, because I ordered it a while ago. So it's time for an unboxing video. Let me try and pull this thing open. Jeez, they really don't make these things easy now, do they? Now, so you go. Pull this one open right here. And I have to try. It's got a little piece of tape on here. Try and be very careful with this. Boom. Little piece of tape keeping this thing wrapped up. A little thing on the outside of it to keep it protected. I have a little order slip in the middle of it. This wasn't as big as I thought it would be, but it is the movie poster for The Lost Boys. One of my favorite movies ever. It's a smaller poster. Shows all the different people. Warner Brothers, Richard Donner production, Joel Schumacher film, The Lost Boys, and then it mentions all the different people in it. I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite movies ever. I still remember the day that I rode my bike out to go see that in 1987. I rode my bike for miles to go see that movie. It was such an incredible movie. Opening night. I loved it that night. I love it now. I had the DVD. I mean the Blu-ray. And I watch it every once in a while just because it's such an incredible movie. Jason Patric, Kiefer Sutherland, Jamie Gertz. It's the first movie that had the two Coreys in it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna take this thing and I'm going to get it. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow, which will get it framed, which will probably be the day that you are watching this, because it's about like 9:30 Alaska time, which is an hour behind West Coast time, so most of you will probably be watching this on Tuesday instead of Monday night. But I love this movie. It's a great movie. And I just wanted to show you that I got the DVD, or the poster, and I'm probably going to stick the Blu-ray in right now and watch it just because I love it. Alright, so what did you think about the Blu-ray of The Lost Boys? Do you like it? Did you not like it? Give me some suggestions of other vampire movies. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.